Our God is not a man, and he cannot lie. He said you will be the first and not the last. He said you will be at the top and not at the bottom. Child of God, your maker is not a man, and he cannot lie to you. What he says will be and what he says he will do, he will do. I don't know the prophecy that is hanging over your head. I don't know how long you've been waiting on him, but I came to announce to you that he is not a man and he cannot lie. You are not a man, you 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 cannot lie. Hey, you are not a man, you cannot lie. You are not a man, you cannot lie. You are not a man, you cannot lie. Hey. Hey, oh, hey, oh. He is not a man, he cannot lie. Your God is not a man, he cannot lie. Hey, he is not a man, he cannot lie. Hey, oh, he is not a man, he cannot lie. Say you are not a man, no, you are not a man, you cannot lie. Somebody you. Child of God, can you wait on him? He is not a man. Instead of his word not to come to pass, the Bible says heaven and earth will pass away. He is not a man. He cannot lie. There is a season that has your name labeled on it. Can you wait on him? Can you wait on him? Can you trust him again? Can you keep your eyes focused on him? You are not a man, you cannot lie. You cannot lie. You cannot lie. You cannot lie.